Hi traders and welcome to the daily recap show for today, which is Tuesday the 1st of February. So with the FTSE we said that we needed to break above 75.21 to 31 to see further upside moves towards 75.87 to 97 resistance. We also said that it was first of the month, which can often see fund money injected into the market early on in the session, which can lead to moves up in the price. So let's go and have a look and see what the FTSE did today. Okay, so with the FTSE, we did see that early move up with the injected fund money. The market opened here and we moved up into this resistance zone. We actually moved above it. We couldn't really gain proper acceptance above that zone, that 21 to 31 zone. So we've chopped around a little bit. We have gained acceptance above there this afternoon. At the moment, we've just caught resistance around that 75.46 to 56 area. However, at the moment on the retest here at the US Open, we are holding the 21 to 31. So if this can hold and then break above this zone, then we can potentially see moves up to that sort of 87 to 97 zone later on. So that's the FTSE. Now let's go and take a look at the DAX. So similar with the DAX, we spoke about it being first of the month, which can often see the fund money injected into the market. So we had first resistance today at 15.550 to 585, and if we could see a sustained break above there, we can open up moves towards 725 to 745. So let's go and have a look and see what happened with the DAX this morning. So as with the FTSE, we actually got that break above, we got that push off on the open. This one did actually break above the resistance zone though. So this broke, with the DAX, we broke above that 550 to 585 zone. So that was a really, if you could got in on this break, that was a nice move up. We have, a bit like the FTSE, we've capped price at the zone above. We haven't quite hit the next main resistance area yet. So we capped price at this 650 to 670 area, and again, a bit like the FTSE, although it was earlier in the session, we have seen price revisit that 50 to 85 zone. We've used it as support, so it was resistance, and it was quite an impulsive pushback, but we have now used it as support. There was an opportunity to get long. When we actually come down and use this as support, we pushed back above the zone, and then pulled back and we held it here with a higher low. So a break back above there created acceptance back above that zone as support, and you could have got long above that sort of structure there. So this structure here with the swing high, we pulled back, got a bit of a continuation pattern, and then pushing on higher. That was sort of the signal that we could then go higher for the rest of the day. So as I say, we got those pushes off on the open that we expected. Haven't quite hit the main resistance zones on either that we would expect to see over the coming sessions or the coming hours for the rest of this session. But we have held what were resistance zones. At the moment, we are holding them as support. So all the time that happens, we can still continue to see that move higher. So we'll see what happens in the rest of the US session and overnight. Apologies for the early report today. I won't have, I'm actually out tonight, so I won't be able to do the report later on. So that's why I'm getting this out early to review the action so far. So hope you found this useful. As I say, we'll review the action again in the morning and communicate via our reports. Hope you found this useful, and I'll speak to you again tomorrow. Cheers.